My name is Andy and I'm from CCI Tech company. And basically our company is doing the sampling loom for woven fabric. The major competitiveness for our machinery is that we need just only minimum one bobbin and you can easily have a sample fabric. And our solutions, we start from sizing, warping to weaving to provide a full total solution for the customers. And for the Bangladesh market, actually this is one of our most important market. As we know that for Bangladesh, it's like the top two garment and textile market in the world. So hopefully we wish that we can expand much more business in Bangladesh, especially that we know that when the garment sector finally they will come to textile sector, and in that case they need a lot of sample demand. So I believe that it could be a good business chance for us.